scored, Mbappe steps up first. And Mbappe rattles it in.
Okay guys, did you know a simple football automation channel made over $30,000 in just a few months by uploading football clips? Their most popular video, uploaded only 3 months ago, has already racked up over 1.5 million views, generating more than $3,700 in ad revenue. Want to know how they did it, and how you can too? Stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll have the exact playbook to create your own profitable football channel on YouTube. In today's video, I'm breaking down the entire process of launching a successful football automation channel on YouTube. We'll cover everything to finding football clips, avoiding copyright issues, and creating engaging videos that pass YouTube's monetization standards. And here's the kicker. I'll also reveal one game-changing tip at the end that could help you make money from day one, even with 0 subscribers. Let's dive right in. Firstly, you need to create your channel and customize that. I won't waste your time by creating a channel and showing you customizing that, because everyone knows that how to create channel and customize that. Now we are entering to our next step, creating the first video. Here's where most automation gurus foretell you to just cut up the phone football videos into clips and upload them to YouTube. But by doing this, you will never get monetized, and you will get the high chance of being rejected for YouTube monetization. We will talk later about it, but now I know you are thinking that how to get football videos which are copyright free. Big creators use this website to get no copyright football matches. To avoid copyright strikes, here's how to source and use football clips effectively. Visit Footballia, a popular platform for football footage. This website has millions of football matches, and you can download any football moment you want. It doesn't have the download button for downloading the football matches. So I will also tell process of downloading these videos. Here is some ideas of viral football videos, like controversial moment, match highlight, and most entertaining games. Now you have found your videos for downloading. Then open the network tab and play the video. Here you will see the all MP4 files, which you can open in a new tab. By clicking 3 dots on the bottom, you can download this video. Now these are copyrighted materials, so we have to remove copyright from this video for avoiding copyright strikes. Add your voiceover commentary, cropping videos to alter visuals, using text explainers for context. Rearranging clips for a fresh storytelling angle. For voiceover commentary, use AI tools like 11 Labs for realistic voiceovers. Pro tip: use Audacity to remove awkward pauses from your voiceovers. This keeps your videos snappy and engaging. Now we are entering into our last final step, and in this step, we will remove all copyright materials by editing this video. Use CapCut for fast professional video editing. Trim wide-angle clips to 5 seconds, close-ups to 3 seconds. Reorder scenes creatively. Add text labels explaining key football moments, offside, goals, free kicks.
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.
Now before publishing the video, you can analyze competitors' video titles and improve them with AI-powered suggestions. Add relevant keywords, hashtags, and an engaging video description. Once you hit 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, apply for YouTube's partner program. But why stop there? Maximize your earnings by affiliate marketing. Promote football-related courses, gear, or services and earn commissions. Use print-on-demand services to sell branded fan merchandise. Now here's that killer tip I promised. Don't wait until you're monetized. Start promoting football-related courses and products from day one. You could be making money before your first ad rolls. Imagine earning commissions even as your channel grows. Don't forget to join my Telegram channel for earning-related updates.